Hello, my YouTube friends and visitors. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get right into it. The Super Affiliate Network Bootcamp 6, number 5. How to make money right now. Again, I'm quoting what my coach Misha Wilson is saying and has taught me. And P.S. If they charge you to get started on the Make Money Right Now slides that I'm presenting here today, they're nothing but scammers. Ignore them and move on to the next one, okay? Okay. And on these boot camps, we're picking right up where we left off from boot camp 6, number 4. So let's jump right into it. Now, the only questions are, how much do you want to earn for every member you refer? How much do you want to earn for every member that all of your teammates refer? Those two questions will determine how much money you make here at the Super Affiliate Network. Much like a traditional franchise model of business, it's not as much about what you do here at the Super Affiliate Network. It's more about what you own and what items you're positioned to earn commissions on. Feed the funnel and let the system do the work. For now, I want to talk a little bit about the pro level of membership, the ideal place for you to start your journey, and exactly what it'll do for you. As a basic or annual member, you'll earn nothing on our premium value offer sales, and you'll only earn 5% of the sales that your team members make of basic or annual sales. You'll have less leverage and less earning potential. As a pro partner, for every new partner you refer, you earn a big $1,000 plus commission without doing extra work. And you'll earn 20% and big $500 commissions on every one of your pro sales that your members refer, literally on complete autopilot without you having to lift a finger. Again, it's not necessarily about what you do, but more about what you own. For sales you personally refer, you earn $1,000, and the rest is split evenly between the coach you've been working with and the business in order to cover overhead and expenses. And finally, your referrer, the individual who brought you to the Super Affiliate Network. And for sales your team members refer, the same holds true. They earn $1,000. You earn $500 on complete autopilot, and the rest is split between the coach you've been working with and the company. Not only do you have the system, coaches and boot camp working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you'll also earn 20% of all the sales that your team members make. Yep, that's right. Not only do you earn big $500 commissions on all your pro sales that your team members make, but you'll also earn 20% of all sales that they make on all of our products, pro and below. Now, we're going right into the make money right now. And this slide is very long, so please try to keep up with me. Okay, it's earn cash back on almost all online purchases. I'm going to read this as fast as possible. Top Cashback is an online shopping portal that gives you cash back each time you shop online. They've partnered with thousands of retailers across the web and place all of their affiliate links onto a single website. Each time you click on one of their links and make a purchase, they earn a small commission. Instead of keeping this money to themselves, they give it back to you in the form of cash back. Here's a quick summary of how this works. Sign up for a free Top Cashback account. As a new user, you're automatically given a $10 bonus. Search for the retailer you wish to shop at to view their cashback rate. For example, Walmart, at the time of writing this article, is given 5% in cash back on all items with a few exceptions such as gift cards. Click on the Get Cash Back button to be redirected to the Walmart page. Make your purchase like you normally would. Top Cashback will automatically track your purchases and give you 5% in cash back within 10 days to get your Top Cashback account. When you reach a minimum balance of $10 and earn cash back, you can withdraw it to PayPal. Exchange for a gift card to earn a 3% bonus. Still confused on how this works? Read our full portal guide. Another great cashback shopping site with high rates is Be Frugal. Okay, again, that's Be Frugal is another cashback type retailer they can get money from. Okay, get money back for things you've already bought. Parabus, which is oh God, what is Parabus? Parabus, I talked about it in my previous video, okay? Let's move on. Parabus is a free service that helps you earn cash back on your online purchases. They work by scanning your email for any receipts from one of their 16 partner retailers. Each time you make a purchase, they check if there's a price drop. If there is, they refund you the difference. The only setup required for you is to link your online shopper's account so that they can track your purchases. The refunds are automatically made to your original payment method. You don't have to do anything on your end. Teach your mother tongue with italki. italki is an online website that helps connect language learning students with teachers. Anyone can sign up as a teacher, and you can expect to earn anywhere from $10 to $30 per hour depending on the language. For example, if you teach Chinese, you're probably not going to make as much as someone who teaches French or English. You get to set your own rates and your own schedule. Most calls are given over Skype during a video or audio call. Be sure to put a lot of work into preparing your lessons, as your students will be more likely to come back. Furthermore, getting positive reviews will help you attract new students as well. Yes, we're at the end of this video. Don't forget to click or copy this link. If you copy this link, open it up in a new browser and read all about how the Super Affiliate Network program works, and sign up with them for $1. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to share it as well. Again, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.